Oh. Hey, my name is Corey Fluxra, and I'm starting to hate birds. Big bird, little bird. Uh, there's only Big Bird, but we're not talking about Big Bird from Sesame Street. No, we are talking about Blue Jay. Now, why the fuck do I hate Blue Jays? I'm sick and tired of this Blue Jay that flies and swoops down at my cat's dish. And guess what it does with my cat's cat food dish? This Blue Jay thinks he owns the place. He does not own the fucking place. He is not the landlord. Fuck the Blue Jay birds. And the reason why he thinks this because he eats my cat's cat food. When really, he's not supposed to eat my cat's cat food. He's not supposed to eat it at all. And here we got this Blue Jay swooping down and eating my cat's cat food. I wish I could capture it on camera, but I'm not too high tech with those things. I do not have a surveillance, whatever some people have with their house. They can videotape who walks in and who walks out. Every single animal or squirrel that crawls into the house, they will see. So I don't really get why people have those. It just spies on people or go in there. But that's just trespassing. Sometimes you know, we'll talk about my sleepwalking in a different video. Right now, the main focus is the birds that eat my cat food. This Blue Jay. It needs to be gone. Vamoose, gone. I banish you to the Shadow Realm. Shadow Realm. No, that's Pokemon. Okay, how about this card? That's still Pokemon. Let's do a Pokemon card reading. What Pokemon is this? This is not a tarot card reading at all. Thank God it's not. Just try to figure out what this is. Just guess. Do you have a clue of which Pokemon this is? And I doubt you do. You'll fail 100% on the Pokemon quiz. Anyways, we're not talking about Pokemon. We're talking about real animals and how they're a pain in the ass. Okay, here we are. Got a script. I'm sick of Blue Jay eating my cat's cat food. Fliffy. My cat's name is Fliffy, by the way. Not Fluffy, but Fliffy. The cat food is not made for birds. It's made for cats. So why the fuck does this Blue Jay fly down and just swoops down and eats my cat's cat food? That's the word, swoop. You birds drive me crazy. Very fucking crazy. We'll skip that. Where should we start? This is a complaint I tried to tell the manager of the birdhouse, the landlord who makes birdhouses, better hear my complaint in this YouTube video. So, birds live in houses. They do. So why the fuck they mess around with our? I mean, for some odd reason, my cat food, my cat's cat food, Fliffy. I have no idea. I'm hoping to get this bird arrested. And if I can't get it arrested, you know what I'll do? Because birds have no rights. I just shoot that bird. Bang! I got myself a Elite Retaliator Nerf gun. I'm going to blast that bird to kingdom come. Just shoot it in the back of its head. So, I'm tired and sick of this. So, anyways, it's gonna eat your cat or dog food one of these days. So hide your dish. Hide your cat or dog. That bird are back in town and they will eat you. They'll eat you. They'll eat you. No, they'll eat your dog or cat food. But I know that they eat my cat food, but I don't know about dog food either. Would they eat dog food? Dog food is probably made out of greasy turds. I don't know what it's made out of. I know what cat food's made out of, but not dog food. But that's a whole different story. Tell you the truth. So, anyways, hopefully you like this story my story about birds eating my cat's cat food, and I can't figure out which blue jay. There's only one blue jay. I bet you by the time I go back to leaving cat food out for my cat instead of sometimes leaving out a plate, because I'm trying to hide the cat food away from the birds. And the birds keep eating the cat food before my cat eats the cat food. Now, what is that? Why the fuck is that? Yeah. I don't know. Why do you think I'm going to war against some silly ass birds? I'm going to pop a cap in your wings so you can't fly. Y'all be like fallen angels. Pussies. Go to hell, birds. Also, the birds have seen hell. I don't know. They're all demons. Okay? They're all fucking demons. Guys, blow their wings off. Anyways, I gotta go. Don't do with this. I don't know. I'm only gonna slay the birds because they're next to my cats. I mean, they keep eating my cat's cat food. But you should only have a reason why you're doing things. Because if you don't have a reason, you're just out there just to kill birds. think that's a big no-no. You could get in big trouble with PETA. I don't give a fuck about that PETA. Okay? PETA is a bunch of vegans bullying people on Twitter. I don't like that at all. They keep on saying, oh, you see vegan and stuff eating at McDonald's. Fuck that, stupid PETA.